Take a walk through one of our residential projects in Centurion. A panoramic view of the residence, showcasing its stunning architecture and lush surroundings. Step through the eye-catching entrance, a perfect blend of function and style. Follow me into the light-filled entrance, foyer space. Step into the formal lounge for a cozy rest. Walk into your open-plan kitchen, living and dining space designed to create unforgettable moments with friends and family. This area is perfectly zoned to define the space. Cook up culinary masterpieces in your modern kitchen, where innovation meets functionality. Step into your hidden pantry to hide your dirty dishes and ample space for all your appliances. Let us explore upstairs to view the rooms. The first bedroom features a private balcony with breathtaking views of the estate. Take a soaking bath or shower after a long day. The second bedroom has ample covered space and ensuite bathroom. The third bedroom or office is a light-filled space and is conducive for productive work or sleep. Step into your main bedroom oasis, which features a walk-in robe and ensuite bathroom. Need a breath of fresh air? Take a step outside and enjoy the views.